Hello everyone, it's Sherry from IBI Institute and Georgia Surgicare. One of the services we provide here are the B12 shots. Today I'm going to show you the 5 benefits of these vitamins. The first benefit of B12 is that it boosts your immune system. Vitamin B12 also plays a critical role in your immune system. This is very important for fighting off viruses and bacteria that comes into contact with your body. The second benefit of B12 is that it improves your metabolism. Your metabolism is the most important factor when it comes to determining your weight. Your metabolism represents the number of calories that you burn while at rest and represents around 90 to 95% of calories that you burn in any given day. The third benefit of B12 is that it helps with weight loss. Vitamin B12 shot can also be combined with Lipotropic supplements to further help boost weight loss. The fourth benefit of B12 shot is that it increases your energy and fight fatigue. One of the most common symptoms of B12 deficiency is increased fatigue or lack of energy levels. Vitamin B12 is one of the vitamins required for proper energy production in your mitochondria, which produce energy in your body. So getting your B12 levels up is very important to keep your energy sustained. The fifth benefit of B12 shot is that it helps improve your sleep pattern and circadian rhythm. The circadian rhythm is the process that helps regulate the quality and depth of your sleep. If you are having sleep issues, including difficulty falling asleep, difficulty staying asleep, problems getting tired at night, or low energy levels, taking B12 shots may help improve these issues. For more information, visit our website at www.georgiasurgicare.com.